as the kid learned the lesson of careful words, the forest and fields whispered of another tale, this one of family, quarrels, and the power of unity. A certain father had a family of sons who were forever quarreling. Oh, why do you fight so much? He sighed, shaking his head. No words he could say seemed to make the least difference. One day, when the quarreling had reached its peak and each son was sulking in a surly manner, the father called out, "My son, bring me a bundle of sticks." The bundle was brought, and handing it to each of his sons in turn, he challenged them. Try to break it, one by one. Each son strained with all his might. Not yet. But no matter how hard they pulled or twisted, the bundle would not break. The father smiled gently and untied the bundle, handing the sticks to his sons to break them one by one. That was easy, they exclaimed, snapping the sticks individually without effort. The father looked at them kindly. "My sons," he said softly, "do you not see? If you agree and help each other, it will be impossible for your enemies to harm you. But divided among yourselves, you are no stronger than a single stick in that bundle. And so, dear children, remember, in unity is strength."